a dress for my hula halal, and it was designed specifically for one of our dance numbers. And of course, the group performed hula tonight, along with the musicians for a wonderful group from Thailand. We're so happy to have you here.
This particular group from Thailand consists of leaders from both government and private sectors who signed up for Thammasat World Leadership Program, a program that grooms the nation's leaders to be socially responsible. A vital part of the program is a field trip abroad to acquaint the executives with the up-and-coming trend, like this one at East-West Center in Honolulu, Hawaii. Thammasat World Leadership Program focuses on sustainability leadership in Asia Pacific.
Sustainability is absolutely key to the global agenda, and in 2015 all 193 UN member countries signed on to 17 Sustainable Development Goals.
Oftentimes, you're in business to make a profit. Are there better alternatives in thinking long-term for the sustainability of your company, but it's sustainability of humanity as well?
The exercise was to get the participants to be design thinkers, to think about the way products are designed. Private companies that are making products, sometimes they don't think about recyclability of materials that are designed into products, reusability of those materials, repurposing the product, how the t-shirt could be purposed for different things, but ultimately you could even recover at the thread level. You could recover the threads and reweave it into a completely different product.
Our objective with that whole life cycle that I was sharing, of starting from our youth all the way until working professionals, is to keep that cycle going, making sure that we have a next generation of conscientious leaders who are going to be serving and carrying out the orders to keeping the earth clean.
All of the talk at the international level is really good, but unless we do it locally, then it doesn't work. So the idea is to localize it, make it fit your local cultures, fit the existing practices, and then implement. The whole thing is implement, implement, implement.
We have to change our mindset from just being about making money and change it to people, place, and profit. So we have to put people in place with equal good and economy. And when we say people in place, we think about clean water, great forests, food systems, and all of those economic engines have to not just be driving financing, but driving healthy lifestyles and well-being for our people.
Great lecturers, speakers, or even institutional visits were brilliantly put together by East-West Center Association, which echoes the legacy goal of the prestigious East-West Center itself.
All those things go back to the powers of individuals. And not just individuals alone, individuals who can work together. And I think that's a legacy goal of the East-West Center. I would just shorten it down to this institution should be a catalyst for other people and institutional success.